doing this, girl. Okay, we're grabbing the essentials right now. The face oil and moisturizer. I burped. And my primer. Oh, and the foundation and concealer. I'm thinking about changing my foundation these days. I realize my face is getting like really dry, so like maybe I should use something that's more moist. Moisturizer. Because my face is so dry. I can never open this bottle. Okay. 2 drops, and then it drip down your face. Probably wait for the stuff to dry. Concealer. Oh, I don't really need to get my top of my head. It's gonna be covered by the bangs. I'm gonna do a really quick makeup because I'm late today. So this will be like a really fast one where I'm not really gonna blend things out that well, but hopefully it will look good in photos. I'm so not used to like such a big blinding light on the side. Okay, Mona, pointy nose, so we gotta do the contours like this, and point. I'm gonna give her a cute little Russian looking nose. Makes sense. I love this palette just because you can just use this for everything. And the brush is just so good. I can collect like 10,000s. This same brush. Hello. Thank God we have our Jeffree star brush. I packed like 3 of these brushes, like eyebrow brushes. I'll make sure every single bag has at least one. Every single makeup bag I have, because I know that there's like a time where I'm gonna lose 1 or 2. I think I've lost like 2 of these brushes before. They're just so small and tiny. And I'm not the best with my checking inventory. Okay, so Mona has like a bit of a dark purple brow. Time to pull out the big bad. James Charles Morphe. I can't believe it. It's like this little angled look that makes her look more angy. I don't really like this brush, it's not sharp. I'm gonna color it in with a bit of black. It looks more like dark purple. It's the straightest brow ever. I don't even know why I'm drawing this side. You can't even see the side of the eyebrow. This brow is too short. Okay, but this brow has turned out way better than the other one, and I'm living for this one. You can't see this one, so whatever it is. You can't see this one. This one looks good, it's fine. I love makeup, but my face is so uneven, and it's so hard to draw. Eyeliner. Then we'll go back to the shadows again. So it looks so thick, and then once you open your eye, because I'm single eyelid, it goes like nothing. having a very bad makeup day. My hand is like so dirty right now. Should probably just put more here. Ah, looks like I don't have a neck. Or chin. Looks like I don't have chin. No, when it gets itchy, you can't scratch it. You're just like poking at it. Mona has like this like gray blue eyes, but for the purpose of a photo shoot and stuff, I think I'm just gonna use bright blue. Because if it's too dark, you can't really see the colors. Life was a when it bent right to your wind. Also, I just really like these contact lenses. They're just so good. Like, I don't cry when I put them on. It's so comfortable. Never hurts. Okay, and I'm gonna figure out which one of these I'm gonna use. Oh, one of it is missing. Casually putting it on without glue. Oh, almost forgot. Like this new eyeshadow I got from Etude House. Etude House. This is amazing. Show you the power of this. I like to put in the front. Just blend it out a little wee bit. But yeah, your eyes will just shine. Okay. Like you guys know, I stacked my eyelashes, so I get the double eyelid. Oh, my eyes are so dry. Perfect. New pack of eyelashes. So yesterday, or the day before. Perfect. I wish I have those like little tweezers for eyelashes. Time to draw on the double eyelid. And then probably go back and make my eyeshadow a little wee bit thicker. Came off. Whoopee. Oh, so annoying. This one's so annoying. I just want my double eyelid to look nice. Come on. Alrighty. Time to go change out. So like the last time I shot this, it was also the same time where MiHoYo had this rule where you can't cosplay the character and like just cosplay and monetize or wear a costume that's bought. So we just shot like 5 photos that day. We had plans for Patreon and making video content, but we ended up just taking this 5 random photos, well 5 good looking photos instead of a lot. But I think it's today we realized we just fucked up that day. So we're gonna redo it again. I think it's like second round 3 of me cosplaying Mona. I shot Mona about 3 times. Poopy brain. And then after today, hopefully I won't have to wear this Mona costume anymore. Well, did I tell you, like, the last time I was combing this through with my finger, I had like a rope burn, but hair. And I was like, what? You can get that from wigs? So yeah, 10/10 not recommended to do this. It actually really hurt the day. Okay, and I'm gonna stick this down in my face now so that it won't move around during the shoot. Usually once you stick this down, your wig is a goner. So I'm surprised I had to wear this so many times. It was totally unplanned for. This is how it would somewhat look. Oh, how do I make this better? Yeah, at first I was thinking, what if I put this here?
Like, yes, fan service very high.
Oh, it's so big. Yeah, this hat doesn't really fit in my head. It's kind of annoying. I need to like clip the insides of it. This is kind of cute. Maybe I should put it more to the front.
I think you got a bit faster.
Is that bad?
No, I think your teeth also go a little bit more.
Yeah, I was thinking I just let it fat first, then later go gym. Let it fat first! Okay, bye bye. I'm going now. Toodles.